click the ResiBuddy Pro menu, Generate Reports. The form validates if you have selected a type of report. Resize the window as needed. Let's create a custom period export report. Select the start date and the end date, which are criteria for filtering records in your database. The year for both dates must be the same. If no dates are selected, the filter will default to the current year. Double-check your responses, then click the Generate Report button. Once the current report is generated, all reports of the selected type will be shown in the results, arranged in descending order. The output contains two sheets, a bar chart and a table where records are grouped accordingly. Use the toggles on the left to collapse or expand each group. Here is another one for an expense summary by vendor report. Just select the type of report, select the dates, and click the Generate Report button. That's ResiBuddy Pro's one-click report add-on.